Welcome to our workshop, where together we'll dive into the process of creating unique cutting boards. Today, we'll walk you through each step, starting from choosing the wood to crafting the perfect cutting board. The first stage is wood selection. We pay special attention to every detail to ensure the board is not only functional, but also beautiful. For our cutting boards, we use high-quality materials. Now, let's move on to the second stage, milling and gluing. We carefully cut the wood into thin strips, creating unique patterns. Then, with love and attention to detail, we glue them into a panel, which will be the foundation of our board. After that, the panel goes through planing to achieve the perfect thickness. Then comes the sanding stage, where shape and smoothness are perfected. It's a crucial moment when the board takes on its final form and texture. Finally, the last stage, oiling the board. This not only protects the wood, but also gives it a warm tone and shine. Every board goes through this process to highlight its beauty and enhance durability. And there you have it, our story of crafting cutting boards. From choosing the wood to the finishing touch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and share with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.